Hey everybody! In today's video I'll be showing you how to see your liked posts on Instagram with the newest update. With the newest update, Instagram has made it a lot harder to view what posts you have liked. So guys, if you want to find out how to do it, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly, so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store, download Instagram if you haven't already. After doing that, you want to sign in to your account and or register an account if you already don't have one. After liking some posts, you want now we will be entering the application. You will want to enter the application as well. Here we are greeted by the main Spotify page. This is the feed, the main page where you can see all the posts the people that you follow posted. So guys, the thing that we want to do is in the lower bottom corner, in the right lower corner, you will see your profile picture. You want to click on that, as if this will open up your account. Clicking on that, as you can see here, I have opened up on my account page. Here we have multiple options, but we do not need any of them. We want to click on the three lines that are in the upper right corner. You will see the three lines in the upper right corner. You want to click on that, as this will open up the options tab where you have multiple options that you can choose. We want to go into the third option from the top, called your activity. As you can see right here, we want to enter this option, clicking your activity. So guys, click on your activity and you will be greeted by this page. Here there are multiple options again. Now the next thing you want to do is click on the third option from the top again, called the interactions tab. You want to click on the interactions tab. Clicking on interactions, here we have four options to choose from. You can see comments, likes, story replies, and reviews. The thing that we want to see today is likes. You will want to enter the likes option, which is the second from the top. Clicking on likes, here are all the posts that you have liked on Instagram till now. You can see all the posts. You can scroll down and find all the posts that you have liked. This is all the posts that you have liked. You can sort them the way you want by clicking sort and filter or doing anything you want. But yeah guys, these are the posts that you liked, and this is how you find them with the newest update. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Make sure to leave a subscribe and leave a like on the video if this was helpful. So thank you for watching and take care.